If you're tired of Windows 10 automatically updating your system and want to turn it off permanently, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to disable Windows automatic updates with methods that should work well in 2024. Let's get into it. First, let's use the services tool to disable the Windows update service. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type in services.msc and hit enter. In the services window, scroll down and find Windows Update, right click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, under the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled. Click Stop to stop the service if it's currently running. Then click Apply and OK. Next, let's use the Group Policy Editor to make sure updates are controlled. Press Windows plus R again and type gpedit.msc and press Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration and on Administrative Templates, then Windows Components and Windows Update. Here you need to double-click on Configure Automatic Updates. In the windows that open, select Disabled. This will prevent automatic updates from being applied. Click Apply and OK, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. But remember, while this prevents automatic updates, you should manually check for updates occasionally to keep your system secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.